I know this is not the original Brompton bike, but the adjustment method for the internal gear system is the same. Let me demonstrate. Many people worry about difficulties when dismantling and reassembling, unsure how to adjust it, but it's actually quite simple. Now set it to the second gear. The official requirement for this rod and its position is that the protruding length should be between 1 to 2 millimeters, as shown here. This ensures correct shifting. If it sticks out too much, adjust it slightly like this. On the other hand, if it's not protruding enough, tighten it a bit more. There's nothing difficult about it.